In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your status and change your availability in Slack. This is a great way to keep your team informed about your availability and what you're up to throughout the day. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of making these adjustments to ensure you're making the most of your communication on Slack. First, head over to your Slack homepage, look around the interface, and you'll find your profile icon, which is typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. It's essential to know where this is because it serves as your starting point for managing various aspects of your Slack profile, including your status. Once you've located your profile icon, click on it. Clicking on your icon will open a menu filled with useful options tailored to your needs. Among the options that appear, you'll see Update Your Status. Go ahead and click on this. A dialog box will pop up, allowing you to input a status of your choice. Now think about the message or activity you'd like to update your team about. It could be something straightforward like in a meeting, on a break, or even out for lunch. You're the best judge of what status will keep your team in the loop, so feel free to make it as detailed or as succinct as you like. After you've decided what your status will be, it's time to type it in. Enter your custom message into the status text box provided. Remember, clarity is key so your colleagues or team members understand your current situation at a glance. Next, you'll have the opportunity to adjust the settings of your status. This means selecting how long you'd like your status to be visible. It can range from a few minutes to several hours, or even until you change it again manually. Now comes a fun part, adding an emoji. Emojis are a powerful visual way to convey your status more effectively. When you add an emoji, it appears alongside your status message, which can make it stand out instantly. Click on the emoji selector and browse through the options to find one that best represents your status. After everything is set, you'll see an option labeled Today. Clicking this brings up additional options for when to clear your status. If you prefer to avoid answering each time manually, or if your status is permanent until changed, select Don't Clear. This setting retains your status until you manually alter it, a useful feature if your status tends not to vary often. Finally, make sure to save your progress. Simply click Save to confirm and apply your status settings. Once done, you'll want to head back to your profile icon to adjust your availability. Select your current status, represented by active, to ensure your availability is correctly displayed according to your current work situation. And there you have it, you've successfully set your status and adjusted your availability on Slack, keeping everyone in the loop. This process not only helps you stay organized, but also keeps your communication clear and efficient in your workspace.